Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover how to install Hadoop in Ubuntu. Let's begin. First we need to download Hadoop from the link given in the description below. Then open the terminal and check whether Java is installed or not, using java-version command. Then create Hadoop group using sudo add group name command. Then add Hadoop user to Hadoop group using sudo add user ---- in group name username command. Then add Hadoop user to sudo group using sudo add user username sudo command. Then log in with Hadoop user as super user using su-username command. Next we need to establish secure SSH to localhost, using SSH localhost command. If you are not getting error, proceed with Hadoop installation. Else, proceed to next step. First uninstall openssh server and client using sudo apt-get remove openssh server, openssh client command. Then update using sudo apt-get update command. Then install openssh server and client using sudo apt-get install openssh server, openssh client command. Then type the command sudo ufw allow 22. Then type the command sudo systemctl restart ssh. Then install ssh using sudo apt-get install ssh command. Then install rsync using sudo apt-get install rsync command. Then type the command ssh localhost. If you are not getting prompt to enter details, proceed with Hadoop installation. Else, proceed with next step. Then generate keys for secure communication using ssh-keygen-tdsa-p, 2 single quotes, -f, ~/ssh/id_dsa command. Then type the command cat~ssh/id_dsa.pub, $~.ssh/authorized_keys. Then type the command ssh-keygen-t rsa. Then type the command ssh localhost. If you are not getting any prompt, proceed with Hadoop installation. Else, proceed with next step. Then type the command ssh-keygen-t rsa. Then type the command cat~ssh/id_rsa.pub, $.ssh/authorized_keys. Then type the command chmod og-wx $.ssh/authorized_keys. Then update using sudo apt-get update command. Then type the command ssh localhost. If you are not getting any prompt, proceed with Hadoop installation. Then change directory to downloads folder. Then unzip the downloaded Hadoop zip folder. Then rename the unzipped folder to Hadoop. Then change owner of Hadoop folder to Hadoop user and group created. Then change Hadoop folder access to grant full access. Then edit sysctl.conf file, and add the lines given in the description below, to disable IPv6. Then check whether IPv6 is disabled or not using the command. Then edit the bash rc, and add the commands given in description below. Then refresh the bash rc, using source ~/.bash rc command. Navigate to etc Hadoop folder. Then edit Hadoop env.sh file and add the commands given in the description below. Then edit yarn site.xml file and add the commands given in the description below. Then edit hdfs site.xml file and add the commands given in the description below. Then create name node and data node folder. Grant full access to folder, and change owner of folder to Hadoop user and group created. Then edit core site.xml file and add the commands given in the description below. Then create TMP folder, change owner of folder to Hadoop user and group created, and grant full access to folder. Then edit maprid site.xml file and add the commands given in the description below. Then format Hadoop name node using hdfs name node-format command. Then start Hadoop DFS, using startdfs.sh script. Then start Hadoop yarn, using startyarn.sh script. Then type the JPS command to check running Hadoop processes. If you want to stop Hadoop DFS, run stopdfs.sh script. If you want to stop Hadoop yarn, run stopyarn.sh script. Then type JPS command to confirm no Hadoop processes are running.